Do you want to know how you can log into your Lyons Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Lyons Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and then search for Lyons Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official site of Lyons HR. And this page will pop up, or this notification will pop up. Go ahead and click on this thing which is called Employee Portal. It is on the blue color. Go ahead and click on it and it will take you to this login portal, which is the official login portal of Lyons HR, also known as Lyons Payroll. Now the first step is to write down your username. Go ahead and write down your username in the first box associated with your Lyons Payroll account. Then go to the password section and write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure to click on this So button and see your password. Make sure your username and password is associated with your Lyons Payroll account. After you write down your username and password, go ahead and click Login. This way you can successfully log into your Lyons Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links you want to go through. If you don't have an account yet and want to register yourself, this is the link. And if you want to read the privacy policy presented by Lyons Payroll, you can click on this thing. I hope this video about how you can log into your Lyons Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.